You've made the perfect video, but it's getting 0 views unless you have a thumbnail that converts. How are we gonna do that? I'm gonna show you today. When I started this channel, I shared it on email and Instagram and built some subscribers up. But then I thought, what if I stopped sharing it and just let YouTube do what YouTube does? That's what I've done with excellent thumbnails. And now not only are my views going up, but I'm getting ads. And I've only been posting for 5 months. I'm gonna show you how to use your thumbnail to captivate your audience so that they push play to begin with. And then of course, you need to keep them hanging on, which we'll go over in a later video, all part of our Start a Successful YouTube Channel Challenge. So by mid-February, you can not only have a YouTube channel, but one that is running successfully and bringing your ideal audience all to you, baby. All right, let's get to it. All right, so we are gonna jump into Canva and get this amazing thumbnail made. You ready? Let's do it. So I have my thumbnails pulled up from all of my YouTube videos. They're all in here. There's different things that I've tried. Like sometimes you can try multiple thumbnails and let YouTube pick. You can upload up to 3 thumbnails at a time, and then YouTube picks whichever one performs the best. So that's what I did here. I actually misspelled Porsche, so I had to re-upload it. My husband called me out on that one. Oops. But this is like, you can see like all the different things that I've tried and the ways that I've maneuvered it around. The thing that works the best is 2 words. If you can make it 2 words, amazing. Especially if you can make it an action 2 words, like this one's start here, that tells them what to do. Or like a lot of people use don't post, or don't do this, or don't do that. Just different things that pull on people's curiosity to say like, wait, this is something I have to do. Why do I need to do that? Why shouldn't I do this? What happens if I do? So things like that, those are the phrases you want to think of. So we're going to go ahead and make the video or the thumbnail for this exact video right here. So first, before I recorded this, I went through my phone and I edit all of my pictures in a little app called Snapseed. It's free. And it just makes my images pop more than just the standard iPhone photo. Of course, there's tons of photo editing apps. You can even edit them within Canva, but Snapseed is what I've found to be the best photo editor that's quick and easy without like a bunch of fine tuning and finessing. So I just go in, I pick the portrait mode. Occasionally I edit it a little bit more, but for the most part, just clicking on portrait makes it pop, gives you that smoother look with the blurry background, and I go from there. So that's what I did in Snapseed, and then I sent it straight to my my computer, and I'm just gonna upload it. Now, what I'll do here is I just duplicate this previous page because I've already done all of the hard work, but I wanna show you what hard work I did. So first of all, you have a background image, a foreground image, and the words. The words you want to add an effect to. Here, the effect I added was shadow with my signature pink color. And then you can even adjust. Here, I'm going to duplicate this so when I change it, it doesn't mess up too much. But you can adjust the direction of where the shadow goes. You can do how much is off. Like, look, now it looks like it's jumping out at you. You can even make the shadow not as transparent or more transparent. So it's like not as powerful. You can make the shadow blurry. Ooh. All these different options. That's just with shadow alone. That's like, I prefer the shadow. I used to use lift, but it just didn't pop out as much as shadow. So that's what I do. I'm going to duplicate it again so I keep the one that I already have. So then when it comes to the background image, so this background image that I have here is not my own. I go into elements and I search for whatever the theme of my video is. So right now I'm doing this thing on YouTube. So I search YouTube. And then I go through the photos and I just scroll until I find one that I think fits for my branding and my audience. So this one's a pretty girly one that I picked. It's this one right here. So if you see, it's got like a little flower and it's really brightly lit and it has some pinks in it, which pink is my color. I did zoom in on it more for this one. I think it's in another. Yeah, it's in this one more, and you can see the flower a little bit. So like, you know, I use the same photo twice and it kind of has a different look. So that's another thing you can do, which is so great. And so then whenever I find the one that I like, I just drag and drop it. So since I'm doing a thumbnail instead, let's see if I can find like a Canva image that, oh, look at this, perfect. That fits so well, so well. I can't even with how well that fits. And I have it blown up like so it makes it look bigger. You can make it to size. You can like zoom in on the thing that you want to focus on. So like for me, making the laptop big is kind of a good thing, but you can make it whatever size you want. Let's see what it looks like if it's just the image. Oh, it wanted to replace me. So if it's just the image, like then my head is in the way, so you don't even see it. So like the way it was blown up is actually really beneficial because I want them to see the Canva editing aspect of this. So you want to finesse the size. Sorry. I don't think I can ever record these without getting interrupted by my kids, but it's fine. So now it looks like, okay, like Canva in the background is the main image. Now you'll also see I have the transparency low on this. So if it was to be full transparency, that's what it would look like. It also looks like I already had this edited because it doesn't look like it's the exact color. So you know what if I started like a brand new blank background? I'll show you what to do. So if you drag and drop it, it'll automatically make it to size. And you can see the difference. I have this one, oh, it's not edited. I have this one blurry and transparent. So that's the difference there. And the reason is because this is the background. I don't want people to be focused on the background. And when you have it transparent, it also becomes more of the color that is your background. So if I make it white instead, it'll make it a little bit brighter. So, oh, then there's that. So this, I kind of liked it gray though, because it just, I don't know, it was subtle and it made it like, ooh, what's that in the background? And of course I will finesse and fine tune until I get it looking exactly like what I want. So for this situation right now, I'm just going to kind of do it quickly so you get the idea. So now I want to go to that uploaded video or picture that I had, which was not this. Where did that was last time, which I had the video, I had the picture. Oh yeah, see this one I just kept my actual image, which I might do for this one too, but I've got to find, this is the one I just uploaded. There it is. Okay, here's my video. Now, if I were to just do my video, or my picture, sorry, of me with my YouTube pulled up, I also really like that because it's my channel. And then you can see like, oh, this is so nice. That's her and her channel. But I do want the background to look blurry still. So if I want that, this is what I do. I'm going to copy this image and paste it right on top. So I just hit Control-C, Control-V, and that copied and pasted the image. Then I'm going to go and I am going to background remove this. So hopefully it keeps me and the laptop only. Let's see what happens. It's taking a minute. Okay. And it did. It kept me and the laptop only, which is exactly what I wanted. So now when I move this one with the background image removed away, I'm going to take this one and I'm going to turn it a little transparent. And I'm going to go into edit and I'm going to make it blurry. So I'm going to do the whole image because I don't just need it in a specific area. And I'm going to make it blurry so you can't see the background as much. And then watch what happens when I go back. Now, hold on, put that back. And I just hit Control-Z, that's undo. You can also hit this undo button here. But now, me and my laptop pop out of the page. Oh, you can't even see my face. Sorry. Hey. So me and my laptop are popping and the other stuff is blurry in the background. And now my text will really stand out because there's not anything, there's no fine lines to distract from my text. So now I'm going to take and copy this text here and paste it here. I've played around with doing lowercase, uppercase, white, black. For me, it seems the white stands out the best, and uppercase just seems to be to prove the point. And if but this is also what's working now. Things definitely change, so be aware. The best thing you can do is to scroll through other people's thumbnails, especially if you about the video that you're creating. So I'm going to do that right now just to show you what I would do. So if I go to YouTube and I'm making this about thumbnails, right? Thumbnails for YouTube. I'm going to click that. And let's see what other people are saying. YouTube thumbnail tutorial, but this was a year old. It's not as powerful. Easy thumbnails. Ah, that's a perfect one. I actually highly recommend you watch Virginia Kerr. She's great with YouTube. If you want to grow your channel more, she has some amazing advice. This one doesn't say anything. I don't like that. Oh, love this. More views, less effort. Heck yeah, that speaks right to a pain point. You want more views. You don't want to put in a lot of work. This is a great example of what to do. And even her title, these are the thumbnail hacks top creators don't want you to know. That's a great one. Easy thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail tutorial, how to win thumbnails, thumbnail on Canva, thumbnail tutorial, how to make a thumbnail. None of these are really inspiring me though. Okay, I couldn't come up with one. So instead of relying on YouTube, I went to good old ChatGPT, as we already know I love. And I just said, give me a powerful 2-word phrase to get people interested to watch a video teaching how to make YouTube thumbnails. I'm like, thumbnail magic sucks, ChatGPT, try again. Give me 10 more and make it a phrase, make the phrase an action they should do. And out of all of these, I like boost views. I like hook viewers. I like master thumbnails. I think I'm going to optimize thumbnails is good too, but I think I'm going to do hook viewers. I think that one's great. So we're going to go back here and we're going to type in hook viewers. Perfect. I'm going to put that right in the middle. And now if I didn't love the background here, I could take this and I could put it on this other background I found and delete that guy and put this here. And I could just even do it like that. I could put it over here and I could crop out my laptop if I didn't want to because I don't want double laptop action. And then say I want the laptop on this side, I can flip it. And then scooch it over. So that way you see the laptop over here now. And then I could say hook viewers. So there's different ways to play around with the visuals. You can flip photos. You can like make yourself a background. I can even flip myself if I wanted to. Maybe I like that symmetry a little bit better. This is me if I were to have a different symmetry to my face. I kind of actually love it. We'll see how I feel. But anyway, any of these, and again, I could download this one and download this one. And I could also download one more that is, which one? Grab attention. Oh, perfect. I like that. Let's do that. Grab attention. I would recommend if you're going to do multiples, I would keep it all the same image. You don't want to test the image and the hook. You want to test one or the other. So either you use one, you use hook viewers with this view, and one other background, or you use this exact same image with hook viewers, grab attention, and nail thumbnails or master thumbnails. So you can go ahead and look at my thumbnail and see which one won, and that'll also give you an idea because I will specifically make sure to add 3 thumbnails to this one, and we'll see which one wins because YouTube will pick it. So now obviously we used ChatGPT for this, which was a huge help. ChatGPT will also help you set up your YouTube channel, help you come up with 1,000 content ideas. It is so incredibly useful, and if you want to understand exactly how to use it to come up with those content ideas, this video right there is going to help you out.